Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you today how to make a nice and easy egg salad. It's for sandwiches. I got my sous vides here. I just got two of them just for fun because I just got a second one and I wanted to use it. At 165, it's recommended for a hard-boiled egg to do 170, but I'm trying it with a little bit of a softer yolk and see how that texture's like. See if I like it, and if not, I'll cook them more. I got 6 eggs here, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna add after these guys are done. So I'm gonna pop these in. I'm gonna just put them right into the water. There we go. And I'm just gonna let those guys cook in there for about an hour. And then we'll make our sandwiches. If you do not have a sous vide, you can just do the normal method of boiling your eggs for hard boiled. All right, gang, we got our eggs here. They just came out of the sous vide. I'm gonna run them under some cool water so they're easier to peel. All right, guys, this method of peeling the egg did not go as well as I expected and took a really long time, and I actually lost some of the outside of the whites that I wanted to use. So check the description down below for A, an easier way to do it without a sous vide, and B, easy way that will give you a good peel. So check the description for that. Rest those eggs cool down. I'm gonna actually toast up this croissant, everything croissant. It's gonna be using as my bread today. I'm gonna toast it up in the pan over here. So let's go check in on that real quick. All right, I just got a little bit of bacon grease in a cast iron, and I'm just gonna lay these guys down here just to get a little heat and a little toastage. And I'll just leave those there. Heat's pretty low. Leave those there for 3 or 4 minutes. All right, our bread is nicely toasted here. We're gonna set it aside and peel the rest of our eggs. In terms of ratios here, guys, the mix would call for about 3/8 of a cup of mayo, but since we're gonna be adding these other stuff, keep it a little lower calorie, a little healthier by just doing 1/4 of a cup of mayo instead. It's also light mayo, so a little less calories. But yes, you must be a mayo person in order to enjoy this. We're gonna add our whites. Gonna add about 1 small pickle. I like pickles a lot, so I don't mind if there's a good amount in there. Then we're gonna do about a total of 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, some habanero, our secret aardvark, of course. This is some classic reds. Just like a little spicy. Of course, you don't gotta add this if you don't want. Great thing about this kind of stuff is you can just add kind of the flavors and the seasonings that work well for you. And don't forget, be sure, don't forget to do about a teaspoon of, about a teaspoon of each of these things here is pretty equal. Don't forget to taste it before you put it on your sandwich. See if it needs more salt, more pepper, want it more spicy. Alright, I'm adding a little bit of Dijon. I'm not really a big fan of Dijon in terms of just its taste itself. It's a little strong for me. But in my experience, mixing it with other stuff, it just gives a really nice flavor boost where you don't really taste the Dijon, but it kind of acts nicely with all the other stuff. And that's the same case for Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire is great because it has that umami flavor in it that you get out of mushrooms and what else has umami? Mushrooms. Yeah. So about 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. Give it a little kick. I'm just gonna stir it off with a generous amount of salt and pepper, and then I'm just gonna adjust accordingly. Do a little tiny bit of garlic powder here. Don't want to make it too powerful. There we go. Nice. So we're gonna give that a spin.
And you can also use just some pork or tail masher. Might work better here. It's mixing with a lot of things. Stuff in the list. There we go. We're actually already have a little bit more spice here, but I'm gonna do that after for the presentation.
So nice. We got our egg salad pretty much ready. I like this softer. I like cooking it a little under. It gives it a little softer texture, and as we all know, eggs generally are better when they're cooked a little bit less. All right, then we're gonna get a little paprika. We're just gonna sprinkle that on top, and we're done. There you go, guys. There's our mix. Speaking of taste, I'm gonna give mine a taste. See if I need more salt, more pepper. Ooh, that's really good, guys. I'm gonna add some more salt here and a little more hot sauce. Like that flavor though. Just a little hotter here. A little more salt, a little more pepper, just a little more kick. A lot of good flavors in there. All right, give that a spin. Get our paprika nice and in. Nice little red color there. All right, great. All right, that guy should be good to go. Load it up. We're hungry today, guys. This is our little brunch, so breakfast and lunch here. We're gonna probably about 4 eggs. 4 eggs in that. I don't want to go too heavy because it's gonna start squirting off the side there. All right, we're gonna top that off. Put that in the middle. Have our cross section. Nice cross section there. Cheers. Yep. Spreading out the side. That's good, y'all. Also an idea that you can mix your eggs a little bit less if you want more of a chunky consistency, a little more bite to your eggs, so you can kind of more texture of the eggs in your mouth. But this is great. You just gotta get a plate and clean up the floor. Everything croissant works. Alright guys, I'll see you later.